How to improve Android camera quality? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to improve Android camera quality. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to adjust camera settings for best quality. To do that, launch camera application on your device. Navigate to the gear icon at top right to access settings. Now you need to simply increase the resolutions. You can set the highest resolution for photos and videos. Next, you need to enable HDR mode. High dynamic range enhances details in both bright and dark areas. You can even use the Pro mode or you can turn on the grid line. For that, you can easily go to compositions and select photo and choose grid. Do the same for video as well. And with that, you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, then you need to simply clean your camera lenses. But if that is not the issue, you need to use third-party camera applications like Google Camera, Open Camera, or different kinds of camera. So with that, you will successfully fix or improve your camera quality on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.